friends, guess where I have reached in my van all the way from the Yukon. Now I'm in Preschool Park, Ontario, ready to resume my joy, hope, and positivity tour, part second, across the country. If you remember, last year I started this tour from the East Coast, visiting Newfoundland and Labrador, Nova Scotia, PEI, New Brunswick, and Quebec. By the time I reached Ontario, it was started to feel like wintry and too cold at night. So I had to pause my tour. But this year, I'll finish it. I'll be touring the rest of Ontario, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Alberta, Northwest Territories, and British Columbia before returning to my home in the Yukon. I'll also find time to visit Nunavut. I'm excited to bring my messages of joy, hope, healing, and positivity in person. I'll be making videos, meeting people, visiting communities, and doing some random dance workshops. If you're willing to participate, you're more than welcome. My mission is simple: to sprinkle joy, hope, and positivity, which I believe we have lost in this world. Please check my social media every day for my itinerary and places I'll be visiting. If you want to support my tour, visit gurdeep.ca/tip. TIP. Thank you, folks. I hope to see you somewhere in Canada. Let me know if you have a special place you like me to visit. I'll do my best. All right, let's begin joy, hope, and positivity tour, part number 2.